Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Teams, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams require few simple steps, and one of them is going to the left side panel of your dashboard. Now, in the past, you have this is going to be the add-on solution. In the past, it was a solution center. But right now, they remove that feature because when you click on the plus button, you would be forwarded here to start a new project, program, or process instead. All right. Now, the idea is you need to go to the app for Smartsheet, which is going to be the Microsoft Teams, and enabling that here in Smartsheet. But before you click on this button right here, you have to know that you need to have a pro subscription, business, or enterprise. When you click on the Smartsheet plans, you see if you're using the free plan subscription, you're not going to be able to integrate Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams. All right, it's only available on these plans: Pro, Business, and Enterprise. Now, if you try to click the Enable Smartsheet for Teams, all right, and then logged in your account, you click on Next, you see you need to have a business or a school account. All right. You can't sign in using your personal account here on the Microsoft Teams. But don't worry, because we have already covered adding Smartsheets or integrating Smartsheets to Microsoft Teams in a separate video that you might want to check in our channel. In there, it's an 8-minute plus long tutorial wherein we're using a different platform and a third-party tool for us to be able to integrate Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams without having to have these subscription plans. All right, you might want to check that on our channel. But in this case, if you wanted to add more information, you can always go to the Microsoft and Smartsheet Teams integration help and learning right here, wherein you can have the guidelines on how to add Smartsheet tabs within a Teams if you wanted to know more about the process. But we also have, again, the video available in our channel that you might want to check, and the title is How to Integrate Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.